Good morning, students. Welcome to the online UNIC 100 University Experience at the University of Nicosia. And I'm prepared this video for you to let you know what you're required to do in order to meet some of the requirements to complete this course UNIC 100. My section here is under week 4 online theory and practice. I will show you this presentation we have prepared for you for the UNIC 100, and then I'll go through the assessment that's required for you to do, which is our UNIC 100 workshop. You will all input in the enrollment key box Spring 2020 so you can have access to the material in that workshop. This brief presentation will give you some information about the distance learning and what exactly our Moodle platform is. It's all of our conventional distance learning material that is on the platform. In this platform, you will have access to the course materials and certain academic requirements you need to complete in order to complete the course. For example, there will be lectures, assignments, possibly your exams. The Moodle platform. It's an open source learning management system. It is being used by tens of thousands of organizations globally. At the moment, we are more than 60,000 users, being that all of our face-to-face are using the platform at the moment. You do not need anything specific for it to run. For it to run, using we'll show you now what is required, but how do you get access to your Moodle platform? You will receive an email on your UNIC email account or the personal one with instructions of the Moodle platform and the codes. So this is our University of Nicosia website, which is www.unic.ac.cy. On the top right hand corner, you can see the Moodle link. We do recommend either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for you to use our Moodle platform, as they're the best browsers to use so you can have access to all your material online. How do we log into the Moodle? It's very simple. As I said, it will take you direct from the website of the university, or alternatively, you can write the website, which is www.courses.unic.ac.cy. This will give you access to put your username and password and press the login button. Basically, it's your username is the student ID, password is the same ID that you've collected for your student intranet, and press login. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, please select the forgot password here or lost password, and you will see steps either by inputting your username or your email. Press search and then an email or will go to either your username or your email for instructions to reset the password. Should you have some issues regarding anything on the Moodle platform, the email for the distance learning unit is dl.it@unic.ac.cy. Once you log into the Moodle platform, this is the front page of what you will have access to. It will show you your name and all the different categories and course overview of your Moodle platform. So you have also your profile settings, courses, main menu, and some other information. Once you have officially enrolled or are already enrolled in your courses, you will see them on the left-hand side, My Courses. Scrolling down, you will also have a look at your profile menu. Your profile menu is on the top right-hand side. You will select Profile, and here you can change your personal email or your name in the field boxes. We also have the option that you can change your password when you press Preferences, which I'll show you now. Should you want to edit or update your profile, perhaps you have changed your email, perhaps you want to change your any of your names, you can make the changes here. You can also upload a photo of yourself, click and drag into the box menu here, and press Save to Update Profile. Should you want to change your password, please press Preferences, Change Password option, And here you can change your password and press it again. Forum preferences. What are your forum preferences? Basically, collecting emails from your lecturers regarding general posts that they may post onto the general forum or other forums that they may create. What can we change? The single email per forum, a daily email, or daily emailed with subjects only. You have the option there if you want to make any changes, and press Save Changes. Now, to access your course. In your course overview or home or the dashboard, you can press and you will see all of your courses that you are enrolled in that have been created by your lecturers. Scrolling down, we will see the course example, a sample of a course, what it would look like. You will see all these little pages will be some sort of video and content from your lecturer. There may be some information of communicating to them. PowerPoint presentations generally are PDFs, or they can be PowerPoints. You'll be instructed of, more importantly, of your weekly WebEx. You will see the WebEx logo here. Once you see that WebEx logo, please log on. When you log on to that, you will see a list of all the WebExes that your lecturers have posted throughout the whole semester. And when the time comes, you just press join to join that WebEx for your face-to-face courses. Scrolling down, just to give you more information regarding some of the material your lecturers do post. They will have some PowerPoint presentations. They may have a recording below. If you do see that, please press the play button here and you can view and hear what your lecturer is telling you regarding that particular material. Should you be required to complete an activity or assessment, you will see scrolling down all the different resources and activities that are there. It could be anything from an assignment, multiple choice questions, or just going onto the forum to answer some types of forums. There are two types of forums. They are the general discussion forum and the Q&As. What is that? In the general discussion forum, there may be a post from your lecturer regarding something of the course that is important, or informing you when the upcoming WebEx will be. Should you want to reply, you can reply to any of the discussions. Your Q&As, it could be part of your course requirement that you answer some of the questions that your lecturers have asked you to do. It could be weekly, being that we all are using this distance learning. They may want a discussion from you all, and it may be a whole group discussion that you must reply on. In the workshop, I will show you how all these forums are done. And posting your discussions, you will just put the subject here, put your message and press post. You will have up to 30 minutes to amend any of your posts on any of the forums. Why is that? Perhaps you want to edit and update some more information, or perhaps you've made an error and you want to make some adjustments. The thread will appear like this, and you will see the responses of the other students. Assignments. Being that we're all distance learning, most of your lectures will be putting assignments in replacement of the could be now of your midterm or the final examination. We're not sure. We'll be informed at a later stage. I will show you how to do this on the workshop. You will see the assessment. Basically, you will see some information required from your lecturer and the little paper with a hand to submit your assessment. Once you select that, you click Add Submission, and you can drag and drop your file here and choose upload the file and save changes. For your quizzes, again, I will show you an example how a quiz is done. You will be opening up the quiz and you will see it with a little paper and a tick. The instructions of your quiz from your lecturer will appear, how many attempts are allowed, when the quiz is open, when the quiz is closed, and the time limit. You might have 10 minutes, you might have 5 minutes. Once you press Attempt Quiz Now, the page will open with all the multiple choice questions that are there, or true and false. Make your selection. You may have a next page, so you press Next to go into the next page. When you have completed your quiz, you will see status of everything answered. If you see answered, it's okay. If you see not answered, you can press on that and attempt the quiz again. When you're finished with all attempts, submit and finish, and you will see your results. Good luck and thank you. And now I'm going to go back and show you how to access the workshop. You will access our workshop here. This workshop requirement I've left open for you for the next couple of weeks. When you access it, you need to put the enrollment key, which is Spring 2020. Once you access that, you will see the information here regarding what is required to do for you to do. We have all these little tests, pilots that I would like you all to do. The first question here is basically update your profile. So everybody will come to their profile on the top right hand side, press profile. I'd like you all to upload a picture of yourself, or perhaps write a message about yourself, or maybe even update your email. After doing that, the second activity is the general discussion forum. When you open that, everybody will see the general discussion forum. I'd like you to add a new discussion. I'm going to say welcome and put your message here for everybody. Post to forum. Like I said in the presentation, you have up to 30 minutes to make any amendments, and I'd like to see all your responses here. After that, we have a Q&A forum. So again, I'm going to add a question and ask you here, where are you from? And I'd like to see all your responses for these questions. I'm going to put another question as well. Say, let's say question 2. What courses are you taking? And post that. Okay, so please select the first one, hi, and then question 2, and post your responses. Then I have a single question here. I will put it now. So where are you from again? Everybody can just put their replies here and we will see them. I've already have one student has already done it. Well done. Then I have the assignment. Now, for the assignment, obviously, I'm not going to see any assignments now, but basically, like the instructions I've just shown you previously in the presentation, perhaps you'd like to go back there. Anything you'd like to post, I would prefer if you would post just one paragraph with your name, student ID, what program of studies you're doing at the university, and your interests. Save that Word file, upload it, and submit it into the activity for assignment. Then I have a test pilot of our quiz. I'd like you all to open that now. You will see how the questions are appearing. You will see the first question here. You can write a short text describing what have you learned during this course. That could be anything from the online platform or your messages, your student intranet. Write a small message here. What's the name of this course? In this course, what have you learned about the e-learning have you learned anything about the e-learning platform? Put true or false. Next page. How many different types of forums are there? Where will you receive your e-learning access codes? Either of those. Okay, finish the attempt and we'll see the results. Finally, my contact details are here. As I said, I'm from the DLMS IT section. My name is Cynthia from Moodle. I'm a lecturer at the university. There is my email. Should you want to contact me, you can either send me an email or you can telephone at 22842058. Should you have any other issues regarding the platform or any other admin issues, you can also contact my colleague Eleni on the above here. By the time you all see this video, you will scroll down to task 2 and open up the quiz. I have put a quiz there for you all to attempt. You have 40 minutes to complete the quiz. When you begin this quiz and submit it, I will collect an email and you will see your results. That's the requirement you are required to do, as well as all the other things on my workshop. Good luck. Enjoy this brief little UNIC experience that we have. And should you have any issues, please contact us. And thank you for listening. Bye-bye.